How's it going? It's about to take over! Raffles do tend to be boring, so we're going to try to make it as fun as possible. Who wants this BTX wheels right now? I got to test that out. I went to iBox. Yeah. I tested it out myself. We're going to have a blast. I'm so excited. Yeah. All right, guys, there you have it. That was Atlanta Takeover. This is Mateo. I'm founder of TacomaBeast. I want to thank once again everyone who came out here. It was an incredible show, and we're gonna really push to make it bigger next year. We're definitely gonna have to get another venue, and just possibly get an off-roading event going on. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you for all the support. Yeah, see you next year.